Hello, welcome to Time Dental. I'm the dental hygienist Amanda and I'm going to show you how to brush your teeth efficiently and most of all effectively. You want to ideally use a nice simple basic toothbrush, not too many tufty bits. Ideally a sort of Sensodyne 3.5 medium head. You want to start where the tooth meets the gum, what they call you angle it towards the gingival margin. The toothbrush is angled slightly down because this is where the plaque sits. You want to do a gentle backwards and forwards movement or elliptical. The one that we try and advise against is scrubbing up and down because you are at risk of over brushing and pushing your gums back, causing what we would call recession. Ideally, you want to do this gentle brushing action. Scientifically, it's called the Bass technique. You want to move all the way around the mouth. This sort of motion. You need to take time to do this. Your overall brushing time should take 2 to 3 minutes. One song on the radio is ideal. You want to come around the other side. Again, it's this angle. Tip the brush slightly down where the tooth meets the gum. Then you want to do your biting surfaces. Good massage right into the crinkly parts of the teeth, which we call the fissures. Working all the way around. Do the same on the other side. Then it's really important that you clean the inside edge. Again, angle to the toothbrush slightly down where the tooth meets the gum. You might find you have to close your mouth to do this because it's easier to reach to the back. As you come round to clean those bottom front teeth, angle the brush almost vertical. And this is where it's important to have the right size head because if it's too big, it's very difficult to get in this area. Again, then you want to angle where the tooth meets the gum on the inside edge. And again here you might find it's easier to put the brush head in and then close your mouth. Then repeat the same sequence on the top arch. This time you're tilting the brush upwards where the tooth meets the gum. This sort of movement. Or if it's easier for you, an elliptical movement. But refrain from the scrub up and down. Work the brush all the way around. You might find you have to lift your lip up to get to those top front teeth. And angle the brush the same the other side. Then again, the biting surface. Make sure you get the canines as well. These are the sort of almost the vampire type teeth, the very pointed ones. Then again on the inside edge, tip the toothbrush upwards where the tooth meets the gum, the gingival margin. And as you come round, put the brush vertical to get those behind the top front teeth. On the inside edge, there we go. And most importantly at the end, don't forget to brush your tongue. Do this as comfortably as you can. Then you want to spit out the paste, don't rinse with water. It's most important that you brush at least twice a day. The most important time for brushing is last thing at night before you go to bed.